everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about osteopathic treatments for mental health. I'm Rita and today it's all about you. Osteopathic treatments can eventually help reduce certain symptoms of anxiety, depression and some psychosomatic symptoms and disorders that came from a mental health issue. For osteopathic therapists, using these type of methods to reach a psychological problem is very natural because they emphasize the treatment of the body, the mind and the spirit. Within our bodies, physical, chemical and emotional are intimately connected. Having our bodies the possibility to work in the right environment, we can help reduce stress levels that will increase energy response and higher the effectiveness of our natural coping mechanism, particularly to deal with our daily life stress situations and events. Osteopathy works on the direct link with the body and the mind, but particularly with some examples, for instance, poor posture that may increase anxiety, that may increase problems in the social connections, the muscles or releasing the muscles, because when they are too tight, it can develop stress related disorders, but also contributes for mood swings. Also improving the breathing system. It may help in migraines, in headaches, in nauseas, reducing the probability of having panic attacks or the chest pain caused by anxiety, digestive issues and eating disorders. And another example, for instance, is exhaustion, because osteopathic treatments usually help the body relax, which may work as a meditative moment for the patient to help have a mindful experience. Osteopathy can understand and treat issues that may be not at the first view directly related to certain situations or certain problems, but this approach to health can help provide a long-term solution even to patients that has a long-term symptom with pain and with discomfort. Osteopathy is based on the principle that the well-being is directly connected with the bones, muscles, connective tissues, and that all of this should function in harmony together for the well-being of the patient. Osteopaths usually aims to restore the normal function and the stabilities of the joints to help the body heal itself. They use a mix of techniques to treat the body in a very different ways, not just concentrated on the symptoms, but in the overall mind and body connection. Osteopathic treatments for the mental health issues may be eventually used by a substitute to medication, but of course this only can be happened with the supervision of a mental health professional and is much more effective if it's used as a complement for another type of psychotherapy approach like talk therapy, but of course it only depends on the patient willing and on the type and level of their mental health disorder. There are other types of holistic therapeutic ways of dealing with mental health issues, but today I want to only focus on the osteopathic treatments because they are combine the body and the mind as one and have a different type of experience, because it's not really focused on the symptoms, it's not really focused on what the person is feeling, but is focused in what part of the body can eventually create that type of feelings. Of course, this is something that it is just a complement for a treatment. It is not a treatment by itself, but it can be effective, particularly if there is an investment from the patient about this type of treatments. And so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, share with a friend, comment if you want, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!